Want to create an online course for your business, but you're not sure where to begin? It's easier than you might think. And in this video, I'm sharing step-by-step how my mom and I created our first online course in a single weekend that went on to generate over $88,538 in sales for our business. I'm Jordan Maylea, co-founder of the Global Freedom Community, alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider. Together, we help female entrepreneurs create laptop lifestyle using profitable habits and evergreen marketing strategies so you can create consistent revenue without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. We put out great new training just like this on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training that we release. When my mom and I launched our personal brand, we had no audience, no influence, and no way to generate cash. We knew that we had knowledge that we were passionate about sharing, but with no way to monetize it or get it in front of our ideal clients, even if we did, we weren't sure where to start. Last week, I shared a video about the very first funnel we created in our business, a lead magnet with a micro offer attached to it that went on to generate over 40,000 leads and $88,523 in sales for our business. If you want to see it for yourself, you can watch that entire video right here. And I will also link it below for you as well. The lead magnet was great, but the key to that free resource creating so many sales was the micro offer that we sold directly on the thank you page. To be honest, that micro offer was the difference between us growing slowly and exploding our growth during the first 12 months of our business. Because we were instantly converting 12% of the leads who came in through that funnel into customers, we were able to pour some gasoline on the fire and run ads to our funnel. The sales from our micro offer covered the cost of our advertising, and the sales from our signature offer and other programs were straight profit. Over the next 10 months, we went on to generate over $300,000 in sales with our business. And today we teach new entrepreneurs how to create their own micro offer funnel inside our signature program, Laptop Lifestyle Academy. That way you can experience that kind of growth as well. The best thing about creating a micro offer is you can do it in a single weekend. And in this video, I'm breaking down the steps that you will need to follow to make it happen. So let's dive in. Before you start creating your course, you need to know what it is that you're going to talk about. We recommend choosing a course topic that's highly congruent with your freebie offer so that when your new lead sees it on the thank you page, it's a no-brainer decision for them to buy. Outline your course by creating an eye-catching title and hook and deciding how you'll lay out the training inside. Our first micro offer was one 60-minute video. We recommend keeping yours around the same length, but if it makes sense to break it up into several shorter videos, that's totally fine too. Once you have the training outlined, the next step is to decide on any downloads that you will provide. For example, since Facebook Marketing 101, which was the name of our micro offer, was all about posting on social media, we included a printable social media posting plan and schedule that people could reference without having to go back and constantly rewatch the video. So when thinking about your downloads, ask yourself, what supportive resources would make taking action easier for my new customers? You may need to include a workbook, a checklist, a tracking chart, or a cheat sheet to help them take action. Just remember, the goal here is to blow them away with the value inside your micro offer so that they're more eager to take the next step and invest with you further in one of your higher priced courses or programs. After downloads, it's time to talk about bonuses. You want to have the total value of your bonuses be equal to 10 times the amount you're charging for the program. When calculating total value, ask yourself, what would it cost someone in both time and money to get this information or support somewhere else? Think of bonuses that would answer any objections that your audience may have to purchasing your micro offer. For example, I don't have the time right now, or I don't know how to do X, Y, and Z. Scripts, templates, lists, and additional support all make great bonuses. All right, now you have your course outline, your resources, and your bonuses. It's time to start creating them. Most of your weekend is going to be spent right here, recording the training and creating the resources and bonuses in Canva. If you want to have a slide deck in your training, you can create that in Canva too. Don't worry about it being perfect. Instead of going for A+ work, aim for C+ to B+ work. When I look back at our first micro offer, I literally cringe at how ugly it was. I am not even kidding. Even looking back at how we laid out the program, oh my gosh, it was not very streamlined. It's not how I would do it if I were to go back and redo it today. But guess what? It still made us $88,000 with version 1.0, which is infinitely more than we could have ever made with version 0.0 if we allowed ourselves to get stuck in perfectionism. And people still loved the course and got a ton of value from it. We recommend recording your video training using Zoom and then create your PDF resources and bonuses inside Canva. If you have a slide deck, you can even present directly through Canva and use Zoom to record your screen. This is the simplest, most affordable way to create your course, and it looks great. In fact, today with our 7-figure business, it's still how we do it. Once your course is recorded, you're going to need a place to host it. We highly recommend Kajabi. It's what we use and teach our students to use inside our paid programs because it's a great all-in-one that will handle your capture and sales pages, your payment processing, your email marketing, and will host your course. You can start small and upgrade your account as your business grows. I'll go ahead and include a link below for you to check out all the features that you'll find inside Kajabi. Once you sign up, you'll simply follow the steps, set up your account, and load your videos into your first course. This can be completed in just a couple of hours. They really make it very, very easy. Okay, that's it. This was a short video, but creating your first course really is that simple. I want to encourage you not to overcomplicate it. You can always go back and upgrade your course over time, but right now you need to get something out there. Remember, version 1.0 is infinitely better than version 0.0. If you want to see the full breakdown of how we attracted an audience, marketed our micro offer, and used sales from our micro offer to enroll over 1,000 people into our signature offer in just 10 months, we created a free training where we share the entire blueprint. At the end of that training, you're going to get a special invitation to join us inside the Laptop Lifestyle Academy. Our LLA students get to work personally with us to design their attraction strategy on social media, create their freebie and micro offer funnel, and upgrade their audience into any other offers that they have or create in their business, whether it's a signature course, a network marketing business, products, or services. Inside LLA, we provide the exact templates that we use to create our first freebie and micro offer funnel, as well as the exact strategies we use to market our products and services through social media and email. Whether you are interested in LLA or not, you're still going to get so much value from that free training. So just head over to globalfreedomcommunity.com/free training to reserve your seat. It's on demand. You can watch at your convenience, and I will link it below for you as well. All right, that's all I've got for today. If you want to dive deeper into the freebie and micro offer funnel that I talked about in this video, go check out this video right here. And just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so you'll be notified the next time a new training is released. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.